This series of screencasts will explain how to use Noodletools to create a works cited page or a list of the sources you've used for your research. We go over this lesson with the 7th grade science classes when they create their Noodletools account, but you may find it helpful if you haven't used it in a while. First, there are a variety of different ways you can access Noodletools. One way is to use the Noodletools page on our library website. If you don't have the library page bookmarked, you should do that now. The address is lcjsmsllc.weebly.com. If you scroll down to Noodletools, you will see there is a page dedicated to Noodletools. There is a link here that will take you to the login. Plus, we have a series of screencasts as well as some other directions that show you every possible source you may be citing in Noodletools, including how to start a project or how to export a project. You may also find Noodletools on your Google Drive in the waffle menu. If you scroll down, you will see a little blue man kind of, where is it? Here it is, right here. And you can access Noodletools that way. But for today, we're going to use the LibGuides because we have created a LibGuide for this particular science assignment where we put everything together on one page for you. To get to this LibGuide, I'm going to click on the LibGuide link and we're going to search Noodletools. Now, Noodletools is one word, Noodletools. That's important that you type it as one word. Then you want to hit search. You will find a LibGuide titled Noodletools by Karen Doherty. It should be the top one. Click on it. Now you are on the home page, and you will see a box at the top with a link to your assignment. In addition to that box, we have a link to Noodletools and a link to the slideshow that you saw today. Plus, we have how-to videos for this lesson. And there are also links to the various sources you will have to go to get to the citation or citation information. Let me just click on the assignment link first. It is important that you notice that this doc is not where you are going to put your citation information. It is simply direction sheet and a checklist. So make sure you read the directions on this sheet and use it as a checklist or as a guide, as it explains the 3 different citations we want you to create in Noodletools. I also want you to notice that I have multiple tabs open, which you're going to need to do to work on this particular assignment. As I go through the various sources, you will see why. Now we need to set up the works cited project. So let's go back to the LibGuide, click on Noodletools login, and we will be brought to Noodletools. We're going to click on the blue login button, and you will log in using your Google Summit account. Mine took me right in because I've already been on the site today. Once you're in, you want to create a new project. It's the green button right up here on the right. Click on that, and it says enter project title. Naming it as specific as possible is important. We are going to use the name planets. The citation style is defaulted to MLA, which is what we use in Summit. And its citation level is starter, which is perfect for middle school students. So we are going to submit. Once you've done this, you will see the project listed here. And that's it for part 1 of how to set up your Noodletools project for this assignment.